My name is Jacob with C3 Restoration Services. I just picked up this DeWalt portable table saw, 8¼ inch from Home Depot. Just started unboxing it, and I figured I'd make this video to show anyone my first impression of it, my initial thoughts, and if they're in the market for a table saw, maybe this is the right one for you. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. So first impression, it's a very clean looking machine. It's also very light. The box says it's 48.5 pounds. It's one of the main reasons why I purchased it. I work in residential homes, and going through hallways or unloading and unloading is something that I do a lot of. The blade rises very easily. And I believe it has a 4-inch vertical cut surface at 90 degrees. Let's measure that. I'm sorry, 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch reach. To switch the angle, if you want to do beveled cuts, it's very simple. What you do is release this, and then you could go all the way up into 45-degree cuts. That's the maximum. And depending on what way you need to cut, you got 0 to 45 degrees. Obviously, you're gonna get less height on that, but it'll be good for most uses. Also, this throat plate, I like this feature. Lock, unlock, comes off very easily. For your blade changes, and this is also where you can change this riving knife to this blade guard assembly that was also included. This also has a vacuum attachment, so whether you want to use the riving knife or the vacuum attachment, you can do that easily. Let's go ahead and lower this blade. It also came with this carbide 8¼ inch blade. It should last a pretty long time. And I mainly use these for flooring, cutting plywood for subfloors, that kind of stuff. Another very cool feature, which I found out, still getting through the instructions, this guard snaps on very easily. Get this little groove in here. Snap. This little groove in here. Snap. And then once you have the guard in, you don't really need to move it at all. Where you can adjust your rip cuts, it's actually right here. With my old table saw, you don't have to move this guard constantly and get it straight. So this one you can leave the guard on, and depending on how far you need to cut, you can just twist this knob. I really like that. And I believe it's a 24, up to a 24-inch rip. So, if I had this guard all the way over here, I could rip a piece of plywood 24 inches out, which is, half of a 4-foot piece of plywood. So that's all I need right there. Okay, I pretty much went over all the main components of this table saw. It also has a DeWalt kind of folding stand you could attach it to. You could bring your own table. So let's go ahead and give this puppy a try. So here's how to turn it on over here. To unlock it, exposes the power button, and wow. Sounds very high powered. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this outside just so I don't make any dust inside my warehouse. So here's the final product. Very clean cuts. You know, the push stick is easy to use. You know, I can run my hand along this, got no splinters. Push stick is easy to use while you're using it as well. Cut through like butter, and I felt no resistance. I'm very happy with it, guys. So yeah, let me know what you think. This is the DeWalt portable table saw, 8 1/4 inch. Drop a comment if you have any questions or what other tools you'd like me to review. Thank you.